Hey guys, so today I'll be unboxing the RTX 3090 for the Win3 Ultra by EVGA. And what I will be doing is comparing this 3090 versus the MSI Gaming X Trio. Whichever one performs better I will keep, and the one that performs worse I will sell. So let's get started. So I already noticed this box is thicker than the box for the Gaming X Trio. And we'll slide it out. And we have the foam. We have a nice retention bracket by EVGA, which is good. We have the manual, and we have the for the Win3 Ultra. Wow, this is a thick GPU. Alright, so this is what it looks like. We'll remove the protective tape. And there we go, 3 fans. First impressions is it looks pretty cool. Just as heavy as the Gaming X Trio, but length is slightly shorter. And it seems thicker than the Gaming X Trio card by some amount. So yeah. Let's measure this. So lengthwise it's about 30 centimeters, so exactly as claimed on their website. Then for this way we have about, about 12 centimeters. And then thickness, we have about 5.8 centimeters thick. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. I'll be comparing it with the MSI Gaming X Trio. And actually this is the card I originally wanted, but it wasn't available at the time, so it's great to see it now. And yeah.